guys, and welcome to TurboDismount and my voice. Yes, this is the first video with my voice, and for all years I feel sorry. Let's get playing, shall we? This is a video where I'm just going to talk about me and what I can hopefully entertain you guys with. Oh god, I'm very good at this game right now, so just right. So we start with Jesus Christ, that was sorry. Yes, I'm Seb. So yeah, this is my first video on YouTube with my voice, and so I'm hoping to do some more. This will just be like a quick video of what I'm hoping to do. So I'm going to play 3 different games, and they're all gonna I can hear myself think now, thank God. So, yeah, what I was trying to say was that I am going to do 3 videos of a game, and then I'm going to do 3 more videos of a different game, and then at the end of the time of the 3 videos that I'm going to do 3 videos, 3 games. So, yeah, and then at the end of the day, you can tell me what game you guys want me to play and stuff like that. I'm just trying to start out, and I'm also dyslexic, so if in the description I spell stuff wrong, that is because I am shit at writing and spelling, so I am sorry, but that's just me. So let's change vehicle, let's go for the Pimpmobile, let's call it that. Let's just go for it. This is NASCAR. Pimp NASCAR. Let's do it. So yeah, you know, ask me a question, like, subscribe. I'm just trying to start out. I'm really scared. I don't really know what to say at this point, so I'm just following around. Let's see what's going on. Getting hit. Ass wipe. So yeah, just a quick video to introduce me. If you're wondering how old I am, I'm 15. So that's probably going to get a lot of you away. I know it's like some people on YouTube don't like young people, but oh well. What else can I say about me? Fun person, I hope, for you guys. I hope to do YouTube for a very long time. And yeah, so just gonna do a couple. Let's get on with a video. Come on, Sam. You've done enough. Change your vehicle. Let's go for something a bit oomphy. Give it some that. Give it some. Right. Come on. And let go. It's good speed. Oh, didn't touch it. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry, Colin. This is probably gonna be a long video, but it's special. It's a new thing. Let's do oil slick. It's gonna be slipping and hitting the traffic. That's all we want. We're also gonna have a scooter. So yeah, I'm hoping the new audio is gonna get people's attention. That did nothing! Oh, it hit a small car. Oh, Jesus Christ, sorry. Oh, God, oh, ow. Ow. Oh. Is that you doing alright? Go. Oh, sorry. Oh. Can somebody call the hospital? I've lost a limb. Oh. Okay. Yes, this is passing all the legal things that this is right for. Oil slips just slows it down. Oh God, right in there. survive that. Oh no, that didn't work. So yeah, you know how that was gonna end. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. The next video will be TurboDismount, maybe a little bit louder, because I am doing this quite late. So thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. See y'all later.